One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've looked around and seen so many reasons to slow down, so many things which have sought to distract you, to hold you back, many questions which keep stirring in your heart. And yet the Lord says, keep looking at me, keep looking ahead. Don't look to the right or to the left, but look at that which I have set before you. Do not allow fear to enter, but keep going forward. Keep walking forward with courage and confidence, a courage and a confidence that comes from my presence, that comes from knowing that I am your security. For I am the one who guides and who leads you forward. I am the one who is walking with you along the path of life. There's no reason to fear, no reason to be afraid, for I have prepared the ground for you. Don't look around, don't look down, but look to me, knowing that I am the one who is your strength, knowing that I am the one who is your source. I am with you, and I am for you. I'm blessing you again, and I'm filling you anew in this day. Trust in me, and trust in my faithfulness, for I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is faithful and true. The seasons of life where it feels like there's blockages at every turn. No matter what we do, we seem to be coming against a wall, as if rocks and boulders are in our path. But I hear the Lord say, look again and see what I am doing. For I see a river that is flowing around every rock and every boulder. It flows freely. Nothing can hold back the river. And the Lord says, trust in me that I am at work, that nothing can hold back the work that I'm doing in your life. Nothing can hold back the things which I'm doing. Don't look at the obstacles, but look at me. Look at what I'm doing. Look at the way in which I'm moving. For I am the one who will carry you. I am the one who will move you forward. Do not fear. Don't allow fear to come in, but put your hope and put your trust in me, knowing that I am with you, the faithful one. For you will see and you will know my faithfulness. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord. For I am the one who is bringing all things together, the one who is making all things new. Your heart has wanted something real. Not just words, not just more waiting, but a fresh sign of the Lord's goodness. There's a place within you that is hungry for fruit, hungry for refreshment, hungry for something life-giving. And the Lord says, do not fear, for I'm bringing you into a time of fruitfulness. I'm bringing you into a time where you will taste and see my goodness. For I am the Lord who loves you, the Lord who cares for you, the Lord who is bringing everything forth in its right way and time. Don't allow fear to enter, but draw close, draw near in this day, knowing that I am with you, the Lord who is the giver of life, the Lord who is healing and restoring, the Lord who is making all things new, making all things beautiful. You will see and you will know my goodness. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord. There's something in you that has been waiting to breathe again. A gift, an idea, a dream that the Lord has placed within you. It's not because you want to prove yourself, but because there's something living inside of you. And the Lord says, create with me. Bring your thoughts and your ideas to life. For I am the Lord who created you, and I love when you create. Create with me that which is new and beautiful, that which the world has not seen before. For I am the Creator, and I am creating with and through you. Do not be afraid, but trust in me, and dare to dream. Dare to dream the dreams that I myself have placed upon you and within your heart. For I am leading you into that which is new, that which is fresh, that which is creative. I love you, and I delight in you. Let's create together. Let's make something new, something which the world has not seen before, something which speaks of my beauty, of my creativity. Do not be afraid, for I am with you, the Lord who gives you life, and the Lord who loves it when you are fully alive. Your soul has needed room to breathe. The pressure has been loud. Your thoughts have been busy. Your heart has needed a kind of peace that doesn't come from simply being still. And the Lord says, draw near to me. Draw close to me at the beginning of this new day. For I am the Lord who is with you. I'm bringing a new awareness of my peace, I'm bringing a new awareness of my love, of the gentleness of my love that is fresh and new each day. Draw close, draw near to me in this time, letting go of the tiredness, letting go of the things which have been unsettling you, giving all into my hands, for I'm bringing you into a place of my peace that is beyond human understanding, my shalom, my wholeness that I have promised to you. Don't be afraid, but draw into my presence. Be at peace, for I am the Lord. Be at peace, for I am with you. Some seasons feel heavy. You keep going, you keep praying, but there's a weight that has been sitting upon you like dark clouds. And deep within, there's been a longing for a sign of breakthrough, a longing for encouragement that things will not remain the same. But I see the Lord bringing his light. I see the light breaking through the clouds. And the Lord says, even in the darkest of times, I'm bringing encouragement and hope to you. My light will pierce the darkness. My light will break through. I'm with you in this day, bringing my reassurance, bringing my strength to you. Don't look to the old, but look at the new thing that I am doing, the new things which I myself am bringing forth. For my light is shining upon you. I'm leading you forward in my peace. I'm leading you forward step by step. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the Lord who turns all things around for good. I use all. There's nothing that is wasted. I'm using all things for your good. You may not have seen the full picture yet, but there are small changes, quiet signs, moments of hope and encouragement. And the Lord says, trust in me that I am unfolding that which I have begun. I'm bringing out the beauty that is inside. I see a beautiful flower that is opening, and as it opens, more and more is revealed. More and more beauty is released. For the Lord says, I'm releasing the blessings of my spirit. I'm releasing the fragrance of heaven in your life. Don't be afraid, but trust that I'm there. That I am the one who is turning all things around for good. I am the one who is at work, above and beyond, doing that which is extraordinary for you. You will see and you will know my goodness in your life. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord. For I am the one who perfects all that concerns you. I'm releasing the fragrance of heaven in your life, the blessings of my spirit. So indeed you will see and know that I am the Lord. You will see and you will know my goodness in your life. You're not made to stay on the shore forever. You're invited into the deep. For the Lord says, step out in faith. Step out knowing that I am with you, that as you are obedient to my call, as you follow my leading, I will not let you down. I will not fail you. For I am the Lord who is guiding and leading you each step of the way. I am the Lord who is sustaining you and leading you into full life. You will see and you will know my goodness in your life. Step out in faith. Do that which is impossible. Do that which I've been calling you into, knowing that as you take a step of faith, I am there meeting you. Do not be afraid, but trust in me, for I am calling you deeper. I see boats that are lined up on the shore, but they were not made to stay there. They were not made to stay in the safety and in the security of the shore. They were made to go out on the waters. And the Lord says, I'm calling you forth. I'm calling you into the new realities that I am working out in your life, into the new things which I am bringing forth. For I am the Lord who has called you forth. I am the Lord who is strengthening you. Step out in faith. The dark can make everything feel bigger. It can make questions feel heavier. Fears grow louder. And the road ahead can seem difficult to trust. But the Lord says, I do not leave you on this path. I do not leave you alone. But I am the one who lights up the road before you. My word is a light unto your path. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am there, that I am the one who walks with you, even in the midst of all that is around you. I am the one who is your security. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am there by your side, that I am the one who is lighting up the road, lighting up the path. There's no reason to be afraid, for I am the light that shines in the darkness, and I will not let you down. I will not let you fall. For I am the one who is bringing my security and my strength to you. As you step forward in faith, as you step forward in my peace, you will see the impossible made possible. You will know that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who walks with you each step of the way. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.